Hi my lovely and amazing people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be tutoring you guys on how to crochet a body shrug or sleeve, but you can call it anything you decide to call it. And these are the materials that we needed for this crochet work. We have yarn, we are using 40 gram, and we're making use of 4 of it, which is total of 160 gram. The next is hook 4.5, 5.5 and 6.0, then tape, scissors and stitch markers. So let's get started. We are starting with 4.5 millimeter hook. Okay, the next is to tie the knot. And we are going to do a long chain of 20 inches, which will be a total number of 80 long chain. So you first of all put your hook and turn over, you put and yarn over, you put and yarn over, you put and yarn over, you put and you yarn over. This is what you keep doing until you reach to 80 long chain. You have to keep doing it until you get the number of the total long chain you're looking for, which is 80. So guys, let's meet at the 80 long chain. See you guys there. Here comes the 80 long chain we have been looking for. You guys can see this is how it looks like. Okay, then the next thing we're gonna do is to place our stitch marker at the end of this long 80 crochet. And we have to continue with our long crochet, but this time around we are not going to do 80 again. We are only going to do 7 more chain. Then after the 7 long chain, you have to turn your hook, then count 4 from starting from the stitch marker. 1 2 3 4. Then put your hook, yarn over, then you see you grab one, yarn over, you grab another one and yarn over, then grab another one and yarn over. Then you see you count 1 2 3, then grab your hook and turn it, you see, then count another 1 2 3 4 and yarn over. This is how you keep doing it until you reach at the end of the crochet. Now we are at the end of the first long 80 crochet chain. You guys can see it. This is how it looks like. So let's count it to see the number of the space we have while we count 4 on each crochet that we turn over. Let's start count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. You guys can see it. We made 20 space with 80 long crochet. So this is how the measurement looks like with tape, but unfortunately I didn't have enough space so that I can stretch my already yarned chain in order to meet up to the measurement, but you can still do it. You can see that the chain that we crochet we yarn over is compressed, so we didn't stretch it. in order to get the number of the inches that we measured. So we have to continue to yarn over. You can see you keep doing it as we turn around, but this time we are counting 7. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see, so it's time to turn around now. You can see now. Okay, so you turn over your hook and insert it at the 4th chain. You can see you yarn over. You see, you pick one, you yarn over, you grab another one, you yarn over, then you grab another one, you yarn over, then you have to count another thread to continue. This is how it looks like. Okay, you can see it's coming out amazing. You count 1, 2, 3. You see, you insert it at the 4th chain, grab and yarn over, you grab and yarn over, you count another 3, 2, 3, then you have to yarn over, insert on the 4th chain. Okay, this is what you keep doing until you reach to your satisfied length. I'll keep doing this until I reach the number of the level I wanted, which is 14 line. That is what I'm about to do now. So I'll meet you guys there. Here we come at the end of the number of the lines I wanted to crochet. This is it. You can see this is the end of it. I have already made like 14 line chain. This is it. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You guys can see it. And this is the same process you're gonna use to do the second one, so that it will be equal and be the same. So this is my own. I've already done my second one, and the next process now is to start fixing the hand, which we're about to start now. You guys can see now I'm arranging it to start fixing the hand. And remember that any part that you choose can as well be your front nor your back, so it's optional. Anyone you choose, you can make use of it as your front or back cloth. So while trying to fix the hand, you guys can see we have to count like 1, 2, 3, 4. That is where we start. We have to stitch it aside. That is the down part of the body side of the cloth. So before fixing the hand, you guys can see it, but we have to indicate it with stitch marker, and we are going to stitch it with our yarn needle. You guys can see it. I'm trying to fix the stitch marker so that it will be easy for us, so that we won't get confused. You guys can see this is it. And the same thing is applicable to the other side of it. The same thing you did here, you have to do it here. So anything you carry along here, you do the same on the other side. That is it. Now we are about to start fixing the hand. You guys can see it. And starting the hand, we are still going to count the same 7 just like we did to the other ones. So you can see it, we count 7 chain. As you're crocheting, you are counting. Then after counting your 7, you have to put your hook and put it and yarn over just like you have been doing to other ones. You grab the yarn, you yarn it over, you see, and this is how you continue doing it until the hand is formed. Then when it's time to change hook, because this is where we are going to change this our 3 yoke that we showed on this video. This is where we are going to make use of the different 3 wools that will show you guys, the 4.5 millimeter, then 5.5 and 6.0 hook, and which we are starting the hand with still 4.5. so the next you're gonna use on the hand is 5.5, then the final will be 6.0. so let's keep going.